Hi, and welcome to the Protector 20.5. I am Piero, Technical Director of SecPoint, and I'm going to show you some of the features of this new release of the Protector. Let's first look at a new feature, the Smart Host Relay configuration. It can be found in the Advanced menu, Email Configuration SMTP, Advanced Configuration. This feature is necessary when your internet service provider doesn't allow you to send emails through the standard port 25. So, in this case, you may need to use another server for relaying. So, in this page, you can enter the host name of your smart host relay and the port number if it differs from the default port. Then click OK and it's done. If you don't need anymore a smart host relay server, you can just clear fields and click OK. Another useful feature is the SSL encryption for email. You can instruct the Protector to use the secure socket layer to encrypt your emails. This function is available through the Advanced menu, Email Configuration, SSL Encryption. To use SSL, you need a certificate and a RSA key that will be used to sign the certificate. For those who are familiar with SSL, I will say that the RSA key must not be encrypted, so it must not require a password to be used. When you enter in this page and the Protector realizes that there is no certificate available, it will show this message and SSL encryption cannot be enabled. Then the Protector lets you choose between uploading a certificate and key or create your own self-signed certificate and key files. The first case is useful when you want to use a certificate issued by a certification authority. Instead, if you prefer to create your own certificate, you must enter some information in these fields and then click OK. This information will be stored in the certificate. Remember that you should enter at least the information with the asterisk. Now the Protector will create my certificate and I will see here that I can now enable SSL encryption. You may have noticed that the red panel is loaded a few moments after the pages have been fully loaded. We have done so to reduce the time for page loading and therefore show the main part of the pages faster. The same is on the home page for the Wi-Fi Defender indicator here. We have realized in fact that detecting the state of the Wi-Fi can take longer than expected, and so we have done this loading deferred respect to the rest of the page. Then we have added a more visible indicator about the state of the Protector here on the top right side of the page. In fact, it is possible that the internet connection is not available in some cases. So if you are using the Protector in a production environment, this problem needs to be fixed immediately. For this reason, we have decided to make this more evident and for this reason we have created this new pop-up window. In this pop-up window, when the protector is not online, you can click here and review the IP address of the protector and see if everything is okay. This is useful also when you are installing the protector for the very first time and the default network settings built in the protector don't fit those of your network and therefore need to be changed here. The last feature I will show you is about the alert center. The 3 new items we have added to the alert center with the previous version of the protector use a new log to store the alert information. This log is periodically cleaned to avoid that it grows too much, and only the information that is useful to the alert center is left inside. Each time the log is cleaned, a certain number of days of information is left inside to allow the alert center to work correctly. It is now possible to specify this number of days here in the advanced menu, System Logs. Here you can see on the last line that you can enter the number of days that you want to keep in the log. Remember that the alert center works on the information collected in the nearest 30 days, so it is recommended that you keep at least 30 days in this log. In any case, you can totally clean up this log by clicking here. As usual, we have issued a release notes document that you can download from our website and that contains the full list of changes of this firmware. Well, thank you for following this presentation and see you next time. Bye bye.